today we are going to share with you a new recipe called the 3-minute bread that my grandma shared with us.
And the best part about it is there's no sugar added, and all you do is add the ingredients in a bowl and put it in a pan and put it into the unheated oven.
And it happens to be the best bread ever.
Add the yeast to the water and let it sit for about 10 minutes.
Now we're just going to add all the ingredients. And a quick mix.
Now we grease and flour in the pan.
The dough is still really sticky, but that's the trick to the bread.
Sprinkle with a tiny bit of flour.
Cover the bread and turn the stove to 400 degrees and put it in there immediately for 1 hour.
And while it's cooking, you just enjoy the smell of homemade bread.
All done now. All you have to do is just let it cool. You can enjoy this with the crock pot potato soup or any of our homemade jellies. Check out the recipes on our YouTube channel. Counting it all joy. Bye!